Hello students, good morning. Today we will start a new topic, that is the regression topic, in which we will learn about the regression line and the properties of the regression lines, regression coefficient also. Then we will learn how to solve the problem based on property as well as on the given data. After that we will learn how to identify the different regression equations. Then we will learn how to find out the angle between the regression lines. Now first of all, we will start with the introduction. First of all, we will learn that what is regression. Regression is the term related to the stats. Stat means dealing with the data. That means regression is a tool of stats which is used to determine, find the nature of the relationship between variable so that we may be able to estimate the value of one variable on the basis of the value of the other variable. Now, on the behalf of this thing, we are having one definition also. A simple definition of a regression is, it is a statistical tool that can be used to estimate the unknown values of one variable from the known values of the another variable. Now, whenever we are talking about the lines, in a line one is a independent variable and one is a dependent variable. Now, what is the independent variable? The variable whose values are known, and dependent variable, estimated variable value is called the dependent variable value. Now, after that, linear regression. Linear regression in which only one independent variable present. That is called the linear regression. Now, first of all, we will discuss the main terms which we will deal in the regression chapter. That is the regression coefficient. It always represented with Byx and Bxy. Then coefficient of correlation. It always represented with small r. There are two regression lines, x on y, y on x. Now, equations are also there. When line is there, the equations of line are also there. So, there are two types of line equation, that is y on x and x on y. Y on x equation we can find out as y minus y bar is equal to Byx, x minus x bar. Same case, x on y equation we will find out there x minus x bar, Bxy, y minus y bar. Now y bar means mean of y and x bar means mean of x. Now, if we are having a standard deviation, then there are the different way to find out the regression coefficient. Byx we will find out r, coefficient of correlation, into sigma y upon sigma x, and we can find out Bxy is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y. Sigma y is the standard deviation of y and sigma x is the standard deviation of x there. Now there are some properties also regarding to these all terms. Number 1, two lines can never be parallel. Why? Because two lines of regression passes through the point x bar and y bar. These two lines always intersect at the unique point. These two lines coincide. Then there are slope must be equal. One slope is the reciprocal of the another slope. Byx is equal to 1 upon Bxy. As we know that r square, coefficient of correlation, is always square of the coefficient of correlation is always equal to 1. And when we are taking the square root of 1, so it will be equal to plus minus 1. Or r square is also equal to the multiplication of two regression coefficient, Byx and Bxy. Now, one more property is there, coefficient of correlation and coefficient of these two regression have the same sign. And value of coefficient of correlation is always lies in between -1 and 1. Now, we will take one or two examples for the more understanding. The coefficient of correlation between the value denoted by x and y is 0.5. Now, as we know, coefficient of correlation is always represented with y, r. So, this is the value of r. The mean of x is 3. That means 3 is the x bar. And that of y is 5. That is y bar is 5. Their standard deviation are 5 and 4. Standard deviation means sigma x, sigma y. First of all, we have to find out the regression coefficient. That means we have to find out bxy and byx. Two lines of regression. Then with the expected value of y if x is equal to 14 and expected value of x if y is equal to 9. First of all, we will write down each and every terms which is given there. X bar is equal to 3, y bar is equal to 5, sigma x is equal to 5, sigma y is equal to 4, r is equal to 0.5. Now regression coefficient byx is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x, y on x, byx, y on x. Now put the value there, r value is 0.5 and multiply 4 upon 5. Now when you solve the value, 5 upon 10 into 4 upon 5. Now when you cancel the 5, it will be 0.4 there. Same case, the another regression coefficient is bxy. It is equal to x on y. And x on y we can find out with this formula, r into sigma x upon sigma y. R value is again 0.5, 5 upon 4. Now you will again solve this term, 0.5 upon 10 into 5 upon 4. When you solve, it will be equal to 25 upon 40. When you divide, it will be equal to 0.625. Now, first part you have solved, in which we have to find out two regression coefficient. Now, we will find out the two regression lines. As we know the formula for the two regression line, this is y on x and x on y. As we know, line for y on x is y minus y bar is equal to b by x, x minus x bar. Now we will put the value b by x is 0.4 into x minus 3 because x bar value is 3 and y bar value is 5 there. When we apply the arrow method here, it will be equal to 0.4x minus 0.4 into 3 is 1.2 plus 5. When we subtract this value, 5.0, then 1.2. When we subtract, it will be equal to 3.8 and plus 5 is always the bigger sign. So answer will be equal to 3.8. So y will be equal to 0.4x plus 3.8. After that, regression of x on y. Then regression line is x minus x bar, bxy, y minus y bar. Now put the value x bar, x minus 3. Put the value bxy 0.625, y minus 5. Now again you will apply the arrow method there. It will be equal to 0.625y minus, when you multiply this term with 5, it will be equal to 0.125. You shift the value there. You will solve the value. The answer will be equal to like this one. Now you are having two equations there. You have to find out the value of y and x. Now, when x is equal to 14, you will put the value in this equation. When you put the value, 0.4 into 14 plus 3.8. 0.4 into 14 is 5.6 plus 3.8. It will be equal to 9.4 there by addition. When you put the value y is equal to 9, you will put in this equation. It will be equal to 0.625 into 9 minus 0.125. When you solve the value, you will get the answer is 5.5. Now, this is the part when you are having the standard deviation also there, and how we can find out the regression lines and how we can find out the respected values there. Now, we will solve one more example. There are two series of index number, that is P. P means price index. P series one side, S for stock commodity. S is stock commodity. The mean and standard deviation of P are 108. Mean and standard deviation of P. That means mean 100, X bar is 100 for P, 8 is for the standard deviation. If I represent कि P is for X, तो its value is sigma X. And of S are 103, mean of S is 103 and 4 is the standard deviation. The coefficient of correlation between two series is 0.4. That means value of R is also given there. Now we have to find out the regression line. P on S and S on P. Now first we will represent it with X and Y. As P is 1, there are two different things. One is the price index and another is the stock commodity. Now we represent one thing is for the X and another is for the Y. X is the price index, Y is the stock commodity. Now we are having two columns. One is for P, one is for S. X bar is equal to 100 there. And sigma X is equal to 8. R is equal to 0.4 for both case. Here also R is equal to 0.4. Sigma Y is equal to 4 and mean of Y is 103 there. Now we have to find out one line X on Y and then Y on X. So X on Y we need regression coefficient BXY, and for Y on X we need regression coefficient BYX. Now we will apply formula BXY is equal to R into sigma X upon sigma Y. BYX is equal to R into sigma Y upon sigma X. Now when we put the value BXY is equal to 0.4 into 4 upon 8. When we do the calculation, the answer will be equal to 0.2. Now for the same value BYX, 0.4 into 8 upon 4. When we solve the value, it will be equal to 0.8 there. Now we are having the regression coefficient, we are having the value of mean there. The regression equation of X on Y and Y on X we can find with this formula. X minus X bar, BXY, Y minus Y bar. Y minus Y bar, BYX, X minus X bar. Put the value, do the calculation. First of all arrow method, then shift the like terms to one side and you will get the value X is equal to 0.8Y plus 17.6. Same case here. Y is equal to 0.2X plus 83. When we are having the arrow method and shifting 103 to that side. Now I hope this concept is clear to you people. This formula we will apply only when standard deviations are given there. Do more and more practice. Thank you.